Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video what I'd like to do is a small job I've had lying around for yonks. As you will see by the state of this keyboard, it's been like this for a number of years. And I keep meaning to do this job, give this keyboard a clean, and I just keep forgetting. So this is one of the old-fashioned Mac wired keyboards, and we've had this for years, almost as long as we've had a Mac, so probably pushing close to 10 years. But I love wired keyboards rather than the wireless ones, simply because you do not have to keep reconnecting them or changing the batteries, and that to me is really important. Plus you're not subject to that nasty old RF radiation that you get by using a Bluetooth or a wireless keyboard. So good old wired keyboard for me. We'll talk more about all the wireless and versus wired and stuff another time, but as you can see, this keyboard is pretty disgusting. Keys have almost all the keys, certainly all the regularly used keys, have a bit of a brown smudge to them. You can see there's a bit of a brown smudge around even on the aluminium here. So we're going to see if we can clean some of that off and make it look as good as new almost. So what are we going to use to do this? Pretty simple. You can get this from most pharmacies or even some electronic stores and stuff. It's just IPA, isopropal alcohol. Very handy stuff to have around. It's really good for cleaning markers and things off books and various other things around the house when the kids write all over stuff they're not supposed to, but that's another story too. So yeah, bit of IPA, and you can use a rag or a bit of this is just a paper towel, and bit of elbow grease, and get stuck into it. Let's see how good we can get it. Alrighty, done and dusted. So as you can see, it's not a long process. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You just got to use a little bit of elbow grease, keep wetting your rag or your paper towel, and hey presto. So the end result, as you can see, is not too shabby. I wasn't sure how well the IPA would go getting the marks off around the number pad here, but it's actually come up really nice. As you can see in the sunlight there, it's looking pretty good. So there we go. Almost a brand new keyboard, or like a brand new keyboard. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. So there you go, quick and easy fix for cleaning your keyboards. And when you think about it, this could apply to pretty much any keyboard. IPA, the best thing with IPA is it's compatible with electronics and it evaporates very quickly. So it's used in cleaning a lot of electrical type appliances. So there you go, that's it. That's the video for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and pass it on to someone who you think could benefit from it. Share it around. Until next time, thanks for watching, take care, and have a good one. Go live a little.